today's topic is the basic data types. There are 4 basic data types in any programming language. String, which we have explored pretty much in the previous lectures. Integer is basically any numerical value or any number. Float is a fractional value in a decimal form like 7.0, 6.3, 2.2, etc. Boolean data type gives us the true or false. In Python, we can store any value to the variable. We can store string or integer or float without declaring any data type. But in other programming languages, we have to declare a data type first in order to store the value. In this example, we have declared the variable name string data type. So we can store only string in this variable. Similarly, in this example, we can store only the integer because we have declared the integer data type to this variable. And same with the float. But in Python, we don't need to do that. We can store any value to the variable without declaring any data type. So this is another reason that Python is an easy language. So let's assign an integer value. X is 8, y is 9. And then print x plus y. In the case of strings, we saw that it concatenates the two values when we use the plus operator, but in this case it will not concatenate because these are to the numbers, not the string. So it will just add these two numbers 8 plus 9 and the output will be the 17. So let's run the program by going into directory where the file is present and then write the file name and .py in the case of Python. So it gives the 17. And now write another mathematical expression, print x minus y, and see what happens. And so it gives us the output -1 because basically we are subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number, from the bigger number from the smaller number. So now let's check the Boolean. Print x is greater than y. So basically here we are giving the condition x is greater than y. So Python will check whether this condition true or false. If this condition is true, it will return true, otherwise false. So let's see what happens. Clear the screen and run the program again. So it gives us the false because 8 is not greater than y. 8 is not greater than 9, of course, so that is why it gave us the false. And if we write print 10 is greater than 5, so of course it will return the true, gives us the true. So in the next lecture we will see some operators